Welcome back to the channel today, guys. We have a very cool show for you. We're going to be using the Lumix S5 Mark II, and what's going to make this interesting is we're going to be using the kit lens, the Lumix 20-60 f3.5 to 5.6. And I know that doesn't sound like much on paper, but this lens you can get right now refurbished for about $360 on Amazon, and it's about $597 brand new, or better yet, buy the S5II and get that included in the kit, because this is much better than your average kit lens. So I decided I wanted to try and do a photo shoot with a kit lens, see if it could be done. So we have a new model. Her name is Cassandra. She's done some international modeling, and now she has come along with us and is going to be in a lot of our videos coming up. So you'll be seeing a lot of her soon, and we hope to have her in studio in just the next few months. We're going to be working on that. First thing I want to do is we're going to do her photo shoot. We'll run through a video, and then I'm going to show her pictures, and then we'll come back and see what you thought about the pictures. So let's get started. All right, guys, so we're at the park, and today we have the beautiful Cassandra. So it's going to be very hard to take a bad picture of her as pretty as she is. But we're going to try out this Lumix 20-60. It's basically a kit lens. And when I saw the price, I thought, oh, I got to get that. But it's got the weirdest specs on it. It's not a fast lens, and it's kind of a weird range, 20-60. But we're going to see what we can do with it, because if you get the camera like the S5II, make sure to throw in this kit lens, because it's only a couple $100, and what you can get from it is phenomenal, and I'm going to show you guys right now. So let's get started. So back up against the tree. There you go. There you go. You're comfortable. There you go. Okay. Let's check your faces in the sun a little bit. Let's see. That's perfect. That looks awesome. Bring your chin down just a little bit. That's awesome. It was fire. Oh, that was very good. That was a finger slip, and it looks really cool. That's perfect right there. Now I'm going to come in closer to her, and you guys should see the depth of field. Even though this only goes down to 3.5, when you come in closer to your subject, you can still get a nice bokeh, as you can tell. And she has some eyes. But I tell you, those eyes are cutting. I love those eyes. And her outfit, that's awesome. Very good. Like that. Very good. Give me just a little bit of a smile. Just a little bit. Very good. I'm coming closer. Perfect. Beautiful. That is awesome. That's awesome. That's sexy. I like that. Very good. Catch your eyes right toward me on this one. There you go. Very good. Tilt the top of your head over and down. Okay. Perfect right there. Come in close this time. Here we go. Very good. I like your hand. That looks awesome. Run both your hands through there. There you go. Cut your eyes back toward me. There you go. I love that. Awesome. Perfect. Let's try something on trap. Put your hands back up in your hair. That's right. Now close your eyes. Yeah, just now when I count to 3, very slowly open your eyes and look right on the camera, and part your lips just very slowly. Okay. So we can get 2 or 3 times when you here we go. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Bring your chin down. Right there. There you go.
'cause you called last night. I'm not that girl. I don't wanna dress up for you and be a toy. I'm not that girl. No, I'm not that girl. You got me just as long as I'm bored. Put your feelings aside, give that wild shot a try. Let's ride. No one does it better. Put your feelings aside, throw yourself out in the night. Let's ride. Let's ride. Break out of your shell, meet me halfway. I'm not that girl. I'm not that girl. Make a mess, be a man. If it's hard, pretend. I'm not that girl. No, I'm not that girl. You should know I don't give in till I'm floored. Put your feelings aside, give that wild shot a try. Let's ride. No one does it better.
And there you go, guys. I think she did a fantastic job. She's an awesome person. I just think she's awesome. I just met her the other day, but I feel like I've known her forever. The pictures, I think, were just amazing. And that was our very first photo shoot we've ever done. And if you guys know, your first photo shoot is always the hardest. She's getting to know you, you're getting to know her. And I just thought she did an outstanding job in the pictures. I think the lens was very sharp. I think the color coming out of the lens was spectacular. And like I said, when I first saw the stats, 20 to 60, very odd focal range, and then 3.5 to 5.6, that's a pretty slow lens. There was nothing really that jumped out and said, oh, that makes that a cool lens. That's why I like to test things, because specs on a sheet are different than what you can get in real life. And I definitely, here is the lens right there, the 20 to 60 Lumix. You never know what you're going to get in real life until you try it out. So don't always go by the specs. Give it a try. You might like it. I really like this. If you guys have any questions, leave it down at the bottom. If you have this lens, let me know. Or if you have any questions about maybe purchasing this lens, let me know. And I will leave a link down below so you can purchase it through our affiliate links. Let me know what you think about this lens. Anyway, I appreciate it. Let me know what you think about her pictures too. I think she did a fantastic job. Well, you guys have a great day, and we will see you again very soon. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks a lot.